Looking for food spots in South Lake Tahoe? SnowChef has you covered. Literally, folks, drink coffee, do stuff. Everything is here to get your day of stuff rolling. Sample it all, finish with an espresso and kaboom! Perched on a prominent corner, you'll find a town favourite in California Burger Co. Start your time at the bar, dropping a line of cocktails. Flip beef patties and chow down on the flagship burger, the Californian. Don't forget your fix of buffalo wings and onion rings. Time to lose your inhibitions and head to the naked fish. Your time here is as special as you'll get on a Tahoe POW day. Savour the cocktails, indulge in the freshest naked fish dishes you'll ever taste. Head to South of North Brewing to knock back a few brews. Take in a band and feast on a plethora of comfort food and be left feeling completely satisfied. See yourself into heaven's little cafe in the village for the morning starter. Peruse the cabinet. Down a giant coffee and feast a scrumptious breakfast burrito. Champagne and chocolates. Well, just let your emotions run wild and seek the pleasure. Seek out the base camp and roll into Trail Folk coffee and juice. Couch time with your perfect cortado brew, followed by a green machine smoothie and open toasties, making brunch perfect. Drop into the nostalgic State Line Brewery and it's an array of beers at the bar and appetising dishes from the restaurant. Don't forget the 500 plus whiskies to indulge. Early or late at night, it's your choice. Just make it through the hidden door and into the community speakeasy for your cocktails, divine or boozy.